Schedules of Indian Constitution. This is a very important topic. You must know this. Let us begin. First schedule. First schedule 1, part 1, the states. Second part obviously will be the union territories. So first schedule, first part, states. First schedule, second part, number 2 is union territories. Then coming to second schedule. Second schedule has part A. Part A provisions as to the president and governors of state. Part B of second schedule is repealed. Part C. Part C of second schedule provisions as to speaker and deputy speaker of the House of the People and chairman and deputy chairman of the Council of States and speaker and deputy speaker of Legislative Assembly, chairman and deputy chairman of the Legislative Council of the State. Part D. Provision as to judges of the Supreme Court and of the High Court. Part E. Provision as to the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Third schedule. Third schedule, forms of oath or affirmations. Fourth schedule. Fourth schedule is allocation of seats in the Council of States. Fourth schedule is allocation of seats in the Council of States. Fifth schedule, provision as to administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Part A of fifth schedule is general. Part B is administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Part C is scheduled areas. Part D is amendment of the schedule. So fifth schedule is the provisions as to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Part A of fifth schedule is general. Part B of fifth schedule is administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Part C of the fifth schedule is scheduled areas. Part D of the fifth schedule is amendment of the schedule. Sixth schedule. Sixth schedule, provision as to administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Sixth schedule, provisions as to the administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Seventh schedule, list 1 is union list, list 2 is state list and third list is concurrent list. Eighth schedule. Eighth schedule, you must remember, it is for the languages. Languages recognized by the Constitution. Eighth schedule. Originally it had 14 languages, but presently there are 22 languages. They are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri or Dongri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Sindhi was added by the 21st Amendment Act of 1967. Sindhi was added by the 21st Amendment Act of 1967. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali were added by 71st Amendment of Act of 1992. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali were added by 71st Amendment Act of 1992. Bodo, Dongri, Maithili and Santhali were added by 92nd Amendment Act of 2003. Ninth schedule. Ninth schedule is the validation of certain acts and regulations. 10th schedule. 10th schedule is disqualification on ground of defection. 10th schedule, disqualification on the ground of defection. Provision related to disqualification of the members of parliament and state legislature on the grounds of defection. This schedule was added by 52nd Amendment Act of 1985. This schedule was added by 52nd Amendment Act of 1985. This 52nd Amendment Act of 1985 or 10th schedule is also known as anti-defection law. Anti-defection law. 11th schedule. 11th schedule is panchayats. Powers, authorities and responsibility of panchayats. Specifies the powers, authority, responsibility of panchayats. 11th schedule has 29 matters. This schedule was added by 11th schedule was added by 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. 11th schedule was added by 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. 12th schedule. 12th schedule, powers, authorities and responsibility of municipalities. 12th schedule has 18 matters. This 12th schedule was added by 74th Amendment of Act of 1992. 74th Amendment Act of 1992.